That sounds good. A little bit of a buzz on the high end, but still sounding good there, Unit 2. Oh yeah, you got some good swing, nice clean sound. You took away the fan sound in the background, cleaned it up real nice there. 10-4. Yeah, it cleaned up the background. You cleaned up the background when you turned it down. 10-4. Yeah, very slight in the background. It sounds real good there. 10-4, a good sound, not a lot of background. Yeah, it's loud and clear. The audio matches your dBs with the swing. Very nice swing with the needle and the audio. It comes up when you speak up there. 10-4. All right, Unit 2, that's 808, Hawaiian Islands. We got neighbors keying up on this side too, but Mother Nature shifting. You do sound good. Unit 2 in the Razorback, 808 with your radio check. Back out. Yeah, we'll stand by for the mic switch there. Unit 2, we'll stand by. Yeah, you got a little bit more bass, in the audio. The sound's the same, but the tone is different with a little bit more bass. Is that a Roger? It's maybe Mother Nature shifting, but the dBs are a little bit lower. But the audio sounds the same, but more bass. But the dBs shifted down, so maybe Mother Nature shifting. Yeah, well, that put a big grin on my chin because you made it real easy to hear what you said there, Unit 2. You jumped up to 9, very crisp, very clean. That's what you sound like normally. Roger, we're standing by. That had a little bit of a buzz there with you. No, Unit 2 had a little bit of a buzz when you keyed up. 10-4. Yeah, still buzzing, Unit 2. It's still buzzing.
I'm over here in the land of enchantment, cruising around in my mobile. I'm trying to get I'm trying to to the mini grass. 348 the mobile, trying to bump it over to the mini grass.
A 348, 808 in the mini grass. You making it through 348, Land of Enchantment, 808 Hawaiian Islands, 348, 808 in the mini grass. Standing by.
Hey, right there, right back. Hey, man, I tell you what, I don't know if you remember me from Facebook, or not Facebook, but YouTube, man. I've been trying to reach and receive for about 2 weeks, man. I guess Mother Nature finally turned in the right direction, man. 808 over there in the garage. 348 New Mexico in the mobile. I'm standing by.
Yeah, check now. I was wondering when Mother Nature will oblige her, and she's doing it right now. Sounded real good. One of the louder stations today there. 348, 808 with the video gate.
Appreciate that there, 808. Hey, man, I tell you what, I've been hearing you transmit off and on for weeks, and whenever your signal makes it over here to the land of enchantment, man, I tell you what, you're pretty loud and proud over here. You sounded real good, man. You sounded so good for the last 2 weeks, man. I wondered if I was going to ever reach you. It seemed like I should have by now, but hey, man, that's all good. So, 808, I appreciate the waving. You take care of yourself now. This is 348 New Mexico in the mobile, and I'm back.
All right, 348, you're looking real good. We're just got the 2x4 in the work van. 348, 808 with the 2x4 in the work van. Aloha.
Roger that there, 808. Hey, man, you have a good holiday season coming up. Merry Christmas to you. And hope you have yourself a real good New Year coming up. And again, it was good talking to you after all this time of trying to get my signal over to you. But anyway, 73C, God bless. This is 348 in the mobile, 348 New Mexico. And I'm back checking the mail.
All right, 348. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year your way. Looking real good. Melikilikimaka, 808 in the Mobile. Aloha.